If you don't drop a like in the next 5 seconds, this will be happening to your Fortnite account. But if you do drop a like, this will be happening.
Wanna join my free gift cards giveaway? Subscribe to my channel, like the video, and turn notifications on. And finally,
suck a dick, dude.
Alright, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be doing revolver only. I don't know, I was just playing some matches, right? And I hit some crazy shots with it. I was like, you know what? Fuck it. Let's do revolver only. Oh, okay. Well, landed on one.
Mine in a way. I don't.
Energy. You know, prick.
Oh my god. Oh, are you kidding me, dude?
Kid.
Seriously? You're such a pussy for that. Out of my face. Oh, are you kidding me? Again. Are you You're gonna die. I don't care. Fuck this challenge. Okay, no. No. No! Where'd you come from? Where'd you come from? Where'd you? Get me up, get me up. I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry. Just let me go, please. I'll be on my way. Hey!
Hey, it's Jesus. Smash code mikavon in the Fortnite item shop.
I think the best option right now is to just camp. How are you fucking in my box, you bitch? Oh, no, wait! What the fu- You just gonna leave?
Yes.
Okay, I know it's an AI, but still. You're so bad. Anyways, Felipe, I need your help.
With what, puppy?
I'm done editing revolver only. I haven't won. I need to win. Why did why did nothing drop out of that chest?
Oh, there was a chest?
Yep. Okay, you're gonna have to watch the recording. You're gonna have to watch the video. I'll put it in. Just stay alive as long as you can.
You need shockwaves?
No. I don't. I one heal off.
Alright, I'm gonna sacrifice my own life for Pakistan.
Yes, sir. And
I love you, Poppy.
I love you too, Felipe.
He's dead. He's healing right now.
All right. As long as you didn't have any white heals on you, we should be fine.
Yeah, I did not. He is healing though, so kept him alive.
Let's go! They were not prepared for the revolver only.